We guide you through how to fix YouTube error code 15 problem quickly so you can get back to watching videos without interruption. First thing you need to do if you are using YouTube app, open your phone settings, go to your app, find YouTube, then tap storage and choose clear cache and clear data. After that, make sure your device date and time are set correctly by turning on automatic date and time in your system settings because incorrect time settings can cause this error. You should also update your YouTube app or browser to the latest version from the App Store or Play Store. If the problem still shows, try turning off any VPN or proxy you are using since error code is often related to blocked network access. Once completed, these steps are reopen YouTube and errors should be gone and videos will load normally again.